So this tutorial is going to be how to use the Python turtle in Trinket to draw multiple lines. And so let's go ahead and call this Trinket multiple lines. And remember, you can always click save and save as you go along. And let me go full screen. So first thing we want to do is we want to call our turtle library by typing import turtle, and that'll give us all the capabilities of the turtle library. Let's go ahead and name our turtle. I'm going to go ahead and name my turtle Rex. So it'll be Rex equals turtle lowercase dot turtle uppercase, and then open and close parentheses. Let's go ahead and make the turtle, which will be Rex, and we'll make him go a certain direction, which we're going to use the set heading function, and we'll make it go 30 degrees. Okay. Oops. Next thing to do is let's change the pen size, which you already know how to do. So rex.pen size, and we'll set the pen size at 10. Now we want to go make it go forward because we're going to draw a line. So let's call Rex and make it go forward. And let's make it go forward 300 pixels. So let me hit run so we can see, oops, it's going forward 300. Let me watch that again. That's too much. So let me change it to 200. Okay. Now, right now the turtle is here, and so what we want to do is we want to make it change directions. Now there's various ways you can do this. You can set the heading to go downward to make it go 90 degrees. Actually no, if you set it, let me go ahead and show you guys. So let's make Rex go from here. Let's change the heading and let's change it to, if I want to make it go down, if you recall on one of the lessons, this is 30 degrees, up is 90, down is 270. And so let's make it go down, let's make it change heading to 70. And then we'll make it go forward. But you guys can always copy and paste on the code once you type it in. And so this should make it go forward and then come straight down. Let's see. And that's how you do multiple lines. There's another way to do this also. Let me go ahead and just make this all comments. Oops. I got to do it all. I forgot how to do it. There's a way to do the whole thing. I think it's single and single. Let's see if that worked. No. Is it double? Double, double? Oh well, I give up. There's a way to make the whole... gosh, I don't want to redo this video again. But there's a way to do it where you just block out the entire line of code. But let's go ahead and just change the code. And another way, instead of set heading, you can change the direction. And so you can make the turtle, instead of going forward, we can call upon a function called right. And so I'll leave it at right 270 and let's see what happens. There goes the turtle. And it changes 270, but from where was at last. So it was at 30, 270, we'll make it go all the way around. And let's take a look at that. Look at the turtle, it turns around. Oh, it went right 270. Now I don't want it to go 270 because I'm at 30 degrees. I wanted it to come straight down. So the direction that it would be is I had to go back to 30 and then 90 degrees to make it go down. So if I type right 120, it should go down. And it does. And so those are two ways to make multiple lines. And you can make multiple lines and just play around. You can make shapes. If you wanted to go connect back to that, well, what could you do? Well, in this case, I made it go right 120. And so from here, how do I make it go this way? Well, you can make it also go left also, but I'm going to go ahead and use the right. Oops, that should have been right. What was it, 270? What was right? 90 was right, 120. Let's see, I made a boo-boo there. Okay, so now it's going this way. We might get, from here we're going down, so we want to make it go right. And if I make it go right 90 degrees, let me copy this code, put it down here, and let's use the same forward line of 200 pixels. Instead of typing it, you can just copy and paste it. And let's see what happens. And there's a triangle. And that's how you use multiple lines using Python.